Yes. Example number 2. Just draw the 4 bus network and write down the statement. Formulate a bus admittance matrix. Formulate a bus admittance matrix for given network. Formulate bus admittance matrix for given network. Just write down in bracket example based on case 1. We will discuss 4 to 5 or 6 cases, 6 different cases for formulation of bus admittance matrix. So here very basic and simple case for formulation of bus admittance matrix is Y bus matrix. Case number 1, which is a simple case. The data are given as follow: line resistance in per unit. Just formulate one table. Yes, X in per unit. So line 1 2 1 3 2 3 2 4 and 3. Resistance is 0.05 per unit, 0.1, 0.15, 0.12, and this is a very famous example from the book of Nagraj and Kothari, example number 6.1. Okay, if you wish you can refer through the book also. 0.15, 30, 0.45, 0.15. Okay, so this much data is given to you and you have to ask to formulate Y bus matrix. There are no methods specified, so you can apply any one, but you have just studied up to the non-singular method or the nodal method. So using that nodal method, just formulate the Y bus matrix. So your first task is, what will be the size of matrix for this network? Size of matrix?
4 cross 4.
Yeah, 4 cross 4. Write down the bus number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the size of Y bus matrix is 4 cross 4. Now just look at the data. It is given impedance of line. Z is equal to R plus JX. And what you have to calculate? Admittance. That means Y. So it is 1 by Z. So you can write it 1 divided by R plus JX. Okay. Or you can say G plus JB. What is G and B?
Conductance and susceptance.
Yes, very good. Conductance and susceptance. Okay. So what you have to calculate? I will show you the first calculation. Then rest of the calculation you have to done it by yourself. So Let's start for calculation of y12. So the value of z12 is given to you. What is the value of z12 from table? This is what your z12, 13, 23, 24 and 34. And from that you have to calculate y12, y13. Yes, from this you have to calculate y12, same way y13 and y34. Clear? So the value of z12 is equal to
0.05 plus 0.15 J.
plus jx
0.15.
0.15. Clear? So according to this equation, 0.5 plus j 0.15. So in polar form, just convert it into the polar form. Yes, everyone needs a scientific calculator with you for calculation of this example. Okay, so what will be the value for this? In polar form, it is 1 angle 0 and yes, consider 4 digit after point for precise answer. So it is angle 71.56. So the final answer is in rectangular form, it is 6.321 angle minus 71.56. So for this case, in polar form, your y1, oh sorry, in rectangular form, your y12 is equal to 2 minus j6. Similarly, everyone just calculate the value of y13, y23, y24 and y34. Just quickly calculate similarly the values of rest of the admittance or transfer admittance of this network. Okay, and one by one just tell me the answer. Yes, anyone with the answer of y13?
1 minus J 2.99.
1 minus, let me check.
2.99.
1 minus j 2.99. Yes, that means it is let me use a different color where it is. This one. y13 is equal to 1 minus 1.99. That means 2. 1 minus 2j. Yes, very good. Then the value of y23. Yes, value of y23. It is very basic and simple example. Let me tell you again, if you are not able to calculate this example, then you are not able to calculate a power flow analysis. using NR or GS method that we will discuss later on. So if anyone have any doubt for calculating such kind of simple network, you can ask immediately.
સર 513 ની વેલ્યુ 1 - 3j આવે છે.
Yes, sir. 1 minus 3j.
1 minus 3j.
हाँ.
હા સર 513 ની વેલ્યુ.
Why 13? Just check it again. I think
2.99
1
સર
minus
1 - 3j જ આવશે.
1 minus 2j is correct answer. Just calculate it again. 1 minus 2j is correct answer.
સર 3j આવે છે.
2.998 આવે sir.
No, the answer previously someone said 1.99. So it is
ના sir 2.99.
હા સર 2.99
Okay,
આવશે એટલે 3j
let me
આવશે.
calculate. Value 13 Z13 is equal to 0.10 plus J 0.30. So Y13 is equal to 1 divided by, in polar form, 0.10 plus 0.30. So just tell me the answer of this polar form.
0.3162.
0.3162.
3162. Angle 71.54.
Okay, 71.54. So the final answer 1 divided by this magnitude is equal to
That is 3.162.
3.162 angle minus
71.54.
Yes, in rectangular, what will be the answer?
1 - 3j.
1 minus 3j?
હા સર.
હા સર 1 minus 2.99 એટલે 3 આવે.
Okay, yes. Okay, yes. 1 minus
3j.
Yes, very good. So next,
Z3
see the data are given for this 1 3 and 2 4. It is same. So we can directly say that Y24 is equal to same as Y13, which is 1 minus 3j. Clear? Change here. Yes, 1 minus
Y23.66 minus 2j.
Yeah, very good. Y23 is equal to 0.66
minus 2j.
minus 2j. Very good. So, and the last one is 334. It is same as Y12. So Y34 is equal to, because the value of Y 1 2 and 3 4 are same. So Y34 is equal to 2 minus 6j or J6. Clear? So just write down the calculation for the values whatever you derived. Y12 is equal to 2 minus J6. Then Y13 is equal to 1 minus J3. Then
Y23.
Okay, 3 is equal to 0.66 minus
1.99 2j.
Yeah. Then
Y24.
Y24 is equal to
1 minus 3j.
1 minus
3j.
Okay, J3 or 3j. Then
Y34.
y34 is equal to
2 minus 6j.
6j. 6j. So you have calculated all the elements. Now, what will be the equation of Y-bus matrix from this network? It is 4 cross 4. Okay, and looking to the network or from the previous theory, just tell me the elements of this admittance matrix. What are the elements for this admittance matrix? Let me write down in general form. First of all, general form. Say it is y11 up to up.
Y14.
Okay, very good. y13, y14. Similarly, y21, y22, 23, 24, y31, 32, 33, and 34. Same way, 41, 42, 43, and y44. 4 cross 4 matrix. So you have already calculated all the elements 1, 2, 1, 3 which given in your system. So now just formulate the final answer. Yes, what will be the value of your elements? y11 is equal to, can anyone say from the network what will be the value of y11? y11 is equal to, or let me remind you again. Yes,
0.
remind you again. Yes, this is your diagonal element and these all are your off diagonal elements. And from the previous theory, we derive one conclusion is that the diagonal element is summation of shunt plus series element or transfer element. Clear? And off diagonal elements are same it is, but in magnitude it is in negative. Clear? So here just help me to write down the value of diagonal element y11. Yes, anyone from your side?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, y12 plus y13.
Yes. In general form it is y10, 12 and
13.
13. Very good. But yes, I will just forgot to tell you one condition. Here in your example it is given neglect the shunt admittance. Neglect the shunt admittance. Clear? So whatever the shunt admittance, and or if it is not given, so you can directly consider this shunt admittance is equal to 0 for entire network. Okay, then next element is, yes, anyone?
Minus y12.
Yes, very good, minus y12. Then next,
Minus y13.
yes, y13. And the last element,
Minus
0.
y14.
is that given the connection between 1 and 4? No. So the value of this 1, 4 element
0.
is 0. Yes. Then
0.
we know very well it is symmetric matrix. So we can directly write down that row and column are same. What will be the value of this diagonal element y22?
y20 plus y21 plus y23 plus y24.
Very good. y20, y21 or 12 then 2, 3 and 2, 4. Clear? Then next y 3 and y 2, 4. Y 2, 3 and y 2, 4. What will be the value of this y33? Yes. Value of y33, it is y30, then
Y31
okay,
y31 plus y34 plus
Y32
y23.
plus Y34
3, 2 and y3,
4
4. And here it is minus y
3 4
4. Okay. Yes, then minus y 4 3. And the last element 5 4 4 is equal to 4 0, then
4 1 and 4 2 and 4 3.
4 2 and
4 3.
y4 3. Clear? So you have derived all these elements y1 2 1 3 2 3 2 4 and 3 4. Just substitute the value of each element and yes.
सर थर्ड कॉलम में -y34 नहीं आया
क्या
फोर्थ रो અને થર્ડ કોલમ
અહીંયા 4 3 or 3 4 you can write any one.
ઓકે
Okay.
Yes,
One
sir.
here also you can write y1 2 or 2 1. As we have derived the conclusion y ij is equal to y ji is equal to minus of yji or minus of y ij or ji. It is same. Why? Because our admittance matrix is symmetric matrix. Clear?
यस सर
Yes, it is symmetric matrix. So there will be no change in 2 or 1 2. Clear? So just substitute the value of each element, whatever you have calculated, and formulate your final answer. So the Y-bus matrix yes, what will be the final answer? Or y11 is equal to
3 minus j9.
yes, very good. 3 minus 9j or j9. Okay, then you know the value of y12, which is negative of your y12. That means 2, okay, minus 2 plus j6. Clear? Then next y13. What is the value of y13? Plus y13, 1 minus j3. And negative of y 1 minus j3, it is minus 1 plus j3. The last one is 0. Clear? Similarly, as it is symmetric matrix, so the value of 2 1 is equal to 1 2. What is the value of this diagonal element y22?
3.66 minus j11.
Y22. So it is 2 1, 3 and 2 4. So it is 1 2 and 3. 3.66. Very good. 3.
Minus j11.
minus J11. Very good. 2, 3. Value of 3 is
minus 0.66 plus 2j.
yes, minus 0.66 plus
2j.
J. And the last element 2, 4 minus 1
1 plus 3j.
3 J only. Next, same. Minus 1 plus 3J and 0. Here it is minus 0.66 plus 2J. What is the value of the third diagonal element Y33?
3.66 minus J11.
Same outside. Just verify.
sir, same.
Same.
3.66 minus 11J.
3.66 minus J11. Then last element 34. Value of 34
Minus 2 plus J6.
minus 2 plus J6. Yes. Here. What is the value of 42?
3.66 minus J11.
Value of 42.
Minus 1 plus J3.
minus 1 plus 3j.
Plus 3J. Then મેટ્રિક્સ જોઈને આઈડિયા આવી જાય તમને. હવે સિમેટ્રિક મેટ્રિક્સ છે ખબર?
-2 plus 6j next.
Very good. Then diagonal element
3
plus
minus
9J.
3 minus
9j.
9J.
yes. Here 6. So the next task is case clear with this example. And if you wish to verify, just verify from our conclusion. The diagonal element is summation of shunt, which is not given in this example, and series is summation of shunt element plus series elements. So you can directly verify. See, the y11 is summation of this y12 plus y13 minus 2 minus 1, so it is plus 3, and 3 plus 9, it is 6. So y11 is equal to 3 minus 9j. Similarly, you can verify for y22, y33 and y44. Clear? So write down the case number 2. Continue in this example. Case 2. Addition or removal of, write down the case 2. Addition or removal of any transmission line. The first case was a simple formulation of Y bus matrix. Then the case 2 is addition or removal of transmission line. Clear? So write down the condition for this example. Just remove the transmission line between bus number 2 and 4. Remove the transmission line between bus number 2 and 4. So now your network is represented as, previously it is transmission line between 2 and 4 is given. But now due to any reason, say there is an abnormal condition or due to fault, this transmission line is disconnected from the network, and now you have to formulate the Y bus matrix for the same network. So what will be the change?
હેલો સર, એક ડાઉટ છે.
હા બોલો.
સર આપણે ઉપરની જે મેટ્રિક્સ ફોર્મ કરી એમાં સર એવું નહીં આવે કે ડાયગોનલ મેટ્રિક્સ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ઓલ ધ ડાયગોનલ એલિમેન્ટ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ નેગેટિવ ઓફ સમેશન ઓફ સાઇન પ્લસ સિરીઝ.
નેગેટિવ તો આપણે અહીંયા કરીને મૂક્યા છે એઝ પર અવર સેકન્ડ કન્ક્લુઝન ફ્રોમ ધ ડેરિવેશન ઓફ પ્રીવિયસ થિયરી. બટ આપણે જ્યારે કન્સિડર કરીએ ને ત્યારે આ વેલ્યુ કન્સિડર કરવાની, જે એકચ્યુઅલ તમે ડિરાઈવ કરી ને એ કન્સિડર કરવાની. બરાબર? ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું ને? ઓકે. લાગતું હતું આવો કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછશે પણ સારું કહેવાય તમે પૂછે. ગુડ. So what is the change if we remove the line 2 and 4? What are the elements which are affected from the removal of line 2 and 4? If we remove this line from this network, then what are the elements which are affected into this network or into this admittance matrix? So the first one is, yes,
Y24.
Yes, very good. Y24. Then
Y22.
Y22, very good. Then
Y4.
yes, very nice. Then
Y44.
Y
44.
4, which is already written. So these 4 elements is affected. Now what is the effect? If we are removing this Y24, then we have to subtract the value of these elements from our existing admittance matrix. So yes, what is the change? What is the change in your existing matrix? What is the change in your existing matrix? As we know, the elements 2 and 4 is removed from the network. So we have to subtract the value of these elements from our calculated matrix. So these are the elements. These 4 elements get affected, and the value of Y24 or 42 is subtracted from these elements. So rest of the elements are remain same, and the value of Y24, let me use another color. Yes, here it is 0, same way here it is 0, and Y22 new after removal of link or line 24. What is the value of Y22? Sorry, Y. Yes, this element.
સર જે તમે પેલું સર્કલ કર્યું છે -2 + j6 એની ઉપરનું -1 + j3 આવશે.
હા એટલે આ એલિમેન્ટ્સ ને ઇફેક્ટ પડશે 1 2.
ના સર, એની બાજુવાળું, એની પહેલા વાળું -1 + j3.
ઓ યસ, આટલા એલિમેન્ટ 1 2 3 ને 4. These 4 elements get affected. So here the value of Y24 is equal to, yes, if we remove it from this network, then it is 0. Yes, same way here it is 0, 42 is equal to, then Y22 new is equal to, what is the value of Y22 new? Yes, just remove the value of Y24 from this diagonal element. So the answer is
2.66
yes,
minus 2.66
minus
plus
it is
J8.
J8, yes.
J8, very good.
8.
Same way, what is the change in 44? y44 new is equal to yes
2 minus
-2 plus J6.
माइनस क्या हुआ
हाँ प्लस જ આવે ભાઈ
2
2
minus
minus
J6.
6j.
okay 6
2 minus 6j
clear so these are the two basic cases for formulation of admittance matrix